Let's look at some more explosive growth techniques in the engineering and tech world. The first one is related with continued education and certifications. This is related to looking around at opportunities of education where you can continue to learn, whether you're a graduate or you're in your first or second year in the workplace, and you can see opportunities or classes around you that you can kind of build on your education and add on in a more focused way. For example, let's say in your second year of working at a company and you're an electrical engineer and you are working on designing satellite systems and you really need to get some advanced training, perhaps at a master's degree level coursework in some software system or systems engineering software that you did not see at the university. So that's an example of something you could really look for so you could build on in a more focused way and then perform your work at a higher level. Some certifications, for example, in the civil engineering and construction world, you might run into are certifications related with construction activities or field activities or inspections where special training is really needed to perform those activities safely. In the construction world, there's safety and OSHA standards that relate every place in the United States to the required safety precautions and requirements of how to construct work safely and in the safe environment. One example that comes to mind is related with confined space systems or underground vault systems, where you need to verify how staff is performing the work, where the entrance and exits are, the air in all of those environments as far as the levels of oxygen and with underground in the vaults and all around you needs to be checked and monitored to make sure you have a safe environment and no noxious gases or other dangerous elements in that environment. These additional training and certifications can really help grow you and mature you in the job that you're in and really help you perform them in the safest manner possible. When you're someone like this, it really makes you stand out in showing that you have a keen interest of always learning and growing in these areas. And this is a critical benefit for any employer looking for someone like this. They would always love to see this kind of interest in their employees. Another item to think about is staying on the cutting edge and keeping current with technologies around you with some of the tools available. You always want to try to see how you can do your work smarter or faster, possibly more intelligently or accurately. Often there's been advanced design tools or software over the last 25 years that I've seen. And if you really look ahead and see how these tools might be applied to the work and the design or tech environment that you are working in, it can really help you apply them in the smartest way possible. For example, here in the mid-2020s, we see artificial intelligence exploding all around us. And it's actually going to continue to explode around us, and even it will come and disrupt and affect many areas of employment and possibly even many technologies environments around us. So you want to stay on the cutting edge and see how you might be able to apply that type of AI technology to some of what you do. If you really stay on the edge and see how it might be able to be helpful and beneficial, it can always make us and help us do our work more intelligently, more accurately, and it really provides some key advantages when you're in the working environment.